Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video series, discuss about objective type questions in 3D coordinate system. Here the model of questions, distance between 2 points. Question number 4. The points capital A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, C equal to 2, 3, 2, and D equal to 4, 7, 6 form. Here 4 options are given. To find the nature of the quadrilateral, which one is correct? First, here A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, C equal to 2, 3, 2, and D equal to 4, 7, 6. First, to find distance between AB. AB equal to 1. Here minus plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 square 4. 2. Here minus 2. Minus plus 2 plus 2. 4. 4 square 16. 3. Minus into minus plus 3 plus 1. 4. 4 square 16. 16 plus 16. 32. 32 plus 4. 36. Root 36. Value equal to 6. Next, to find distance between BC, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 whole square, 9, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5 whole square, 25, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 whole square, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 25, 18, 25, 18, root 43. Root 43, 9 plus 9, 18, 25, 18, root 43. Next, here is a quadrilateral. If the quadrilateral ABCD is a quadrilateral, 4 sides are equal, then the quadrilateral is a square or rhombus. Opposite sides are equal, then the quadrilateral is a rectangular or parallelogram. In a square, diagonals also equal. In a rhombus, diagonals are not equal. In a rectangle, diagonals are equal. In a parallelogram, diagonals are not equal. Here, AB distance is 6. BC distance is root 43. To find the diagonals, AC diagonal, to find AC, 1 minus 2, minus 1 whole square, 1, 2 minus 3, minus 1 whole square, 1, 3 minus 2, minus 1 whole square, 1, root 3. Next, to find diagonal BD, square root of BD, minus 1, minus 4, minus 5 whole square, 25, minus 2, minus 7, minus 9 whole square, 81, minus 1, minus 6, minus 7 whole square, 49, 49, 81, 9, 1, 10, 8, 4, 12, 130, 130 plus 25, 155. The value is equal to root 155. Here diagonals are not equal. AC diagonal does not equal to BD diagonal. Diagonals are not equal. The quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Parallelogram is correct. The quadrilateral is parallelogram. Here option 3 is the correct. Next, section formula, models, questions. Fifth problem. If the orthocenter, circumcenter of triangle are minus 3, 5, 2, 6, 2, 5 respectively, then the centroid of triangle is. Here 4 options are given. To find the centroid of the triangle in this problem, given orthocenter O equal to -3 comma 5 comma 2. Circumcenter S equal to circumcenter S equal to 6 comma 2 comma 5. Orthocenter O, circumcenter S. Let G equal to centroid. Here one relation is there. The relation is 3G is equal to 2S plus O. This is the relation. Centroid, S circumcenter and O orthocenter. The relation is 3G is equal to 2S plus O. To apply the values 2 into S 6 comma 2 comma 5 plus O minus 3 comma 5 comma 2. 2 6 12 comma 2 2 4 2 5 10 plus minus 3 comma 5 comma 2. Here 12 minus 3, 12 minus 3 9, 4 plus 5 9, 10 plus 2 12, 9 comma 9 comma 12. 3Z is equal to G is equal to 9 by 3 comma 9 by 3 comma 12 by 3. The value is 9 by 3 3, 9 by 3 cancelled by 3, it is cancelled by 3, 3 fours, 3 comma 3 comma 4. The centroid of triangle is 3 comma 3 comma 4. First option is correct. Problem number 6. Capital A equal to 2 comma 3 comma 0 and B equal to 2 comma 1 comma 2 are 2 points. If the points P comma Q are on the line AB such that AP equal to PQ equal to QB, then find PQ. Here 4 options are given. The points capital A equal to 2 comma 3 comma 0, B equal to 2 comma 1 comma 2. Here AB line segment, this is AB line segment. It is divided into 3 equal parts. AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Here P comma Q are the point of trisection of AB. To find length of PQ, AB points is given. The relation, one relation is there. This is the formula. PQ is equal to 1/3 of AB. This is the formula. PQ is equal to 1/3 of AB. Here line segment endpoints are given. Then this is the AP equal to PQ equal to QB. This is the condition for point of trisection. P comma Q are the point of trisection. Then PQ is equal to 1/3 of AB. 1/3 of distance between AB. 2 minus 2 0. 3 minus 1 2 square. 2 square 4. 0 minus 2 whole square. 0 minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 whole square 4. 4 plus 4 root 8. Root 8 by 3. Root 8 by 3. The square of 9. Root of 9 is equal to 3. Square root of 8 by 9. Option number 3. Question number 7. In the right angle triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degree, capital A equal to 2 comma 5 comma 1, B equal to 1 comma 4 comma minus 3, and C equal to minus 2 comma 7 comma minus 3. If P comma S comma R are the orthocenter comma circumcenter comma circumradius of the triangle ABC, then capital R plus PY equal to, here the 4 options are given. First here in this problem, to find capital R is circumradius, and find PY, P equal to orthocenter. PY means y coordinate of P, y coordinate of P. The vertices capital A equal to 2 comma 5 comma 1, B equal to 1 comma 4 comma minus 3, C equal to minus 2 comma 7 comma minus 3. Angle B equal to 90 degree. This is the right angle triangle. ABC triangle is right angle at B, 90 degree. In a right angle triangle, orthocenter is the 90 degree vertex. Orthocenter is equal to 90 degree vertex. Here 90 degree vertex is B. P equal to orthocenter. P equal to orthocenter, that equal to 90 degree vertex. 90 degree vertex is B. Here B value 1 comma 4 comma minus 3. Here 1 is the x coordinate of P, 4 is the y coordinate of P, minus 3 is the z coordinate of P. Py, y coordinate of P equal to 4. Py equal to 4. To find circumradius, here AC is the hypotenuse. In a right angle triangle, AC is the diameter of the circle. Circumcircle, the circle passing through the vertices of the triangle ABC is a circumcircle. Here AC is the diameter of circumcircle. Diameter of circumcircle is equal to AC. Distance between AC, 2 minus of minus plus 2 plus 2 whole square. 2 plus 2 whole square 4. 4 square 16. 5 minus 7 minus 2 whole square 4 plus 1 minus of minus plus 3. 1 plus 3 4. 4 square 16. 16 plus 16 32 plus 4 root 36. The value equal to 6. To find circumradius, capital R equal to diameter, here diameter value 6, diameter by 2, 3, the value is 3. Next, to find R plus Py, here R value, capital R equal to 3, Py value 4, 3 plus 4, 7. 7 is the correct answer. That is the first answer. Question number 8. The harmonic conjugate of 2, 3, 4 with respect to the points 3, minus 2, 2 and 6, minus 17, minus 4. Here the 4 options are given. Here to find the harmonic conjugate of the given points. The line segment endpoints, first point 3, minus 2, 2. These are the line segment endpoints 6, minus 17, minus 4. This is the line segment divide point. Let it be P 2, 3, 4. Let P equal to 2, 3, 4. Capital A equal to 3, minus 2, 2. Capital B equal to 6, minus 17, minus 4. The divide coordinates, here P divides AB. The divide coordinates x, y, z. A and B are the endpoints of line segment. The coordinates, capital A coordinates x1, y1, z1. Capital B coordinates x2, y2, z2. Here to find first the ratio P divides AB. The ratio P divides AB. P divides AB. The formula is x1 minus x is to x minus x2. x1 minus x is to x minus x2. Here x1 value 3, x value 2. 3 minus 2 is to x equal to 2, x2 value 6, 3 minus 2 1, 2 minus 6 minus 4, multiply with minus 1 is to 4. To find harmonic conjugate of P, harmonic conjugate of P, here ratio is minus 1 is to 4. Then Q with the harmonic conjugate of P, the ratio is taken plus 1 is to 4. Let Q is equal to harmonic conjugate of P, the ratio 1 is to 4. Here in harmonic conjugate, if the ratio is negative, harmonic conjugate ratio positive. If the ratio is positive, harmonic conjugate ratio negative. Here the ratio P divides AB minus 1 is to 4. Q equal to harmonic conjugate of P, the ratio is 1 is to 4. To find the Q point, 1 is to 4 positive ratio internally. Here one section formula. Internally, the line segment endpoints x1 comma y1 comma z1, x2 comma y2 comma z2. If the P divides AB internally, the formula P is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n comma mz2 plus nz1 by m plus n. Externally, the formula P is equal to mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n comma my2 minus ny1 by m minus n comma mz2 minus nz1 by m minus n. Here to find Q value, m is equal to 1, n is equal to 4. Here m is equal to 1, n is equal to 4. Apply the formula mx2 1 into 6, nx1 4 into 3 12 by m plus n 1 plus 4 5. Here 5 is only in fourth option. This is the correct answer. Here 5, 4 plus 1 5, 18 by 5. 6 plus 12, 18 by 5. M by 2, 1 into minus 17 plus n y1 4 into minus 2 minus 8 by 5 comma mz2 1 into minus 4 plus nz1 4 into 2 8 by 5. 6 plus 2 18 by 5 minus 17 minus 8 minus 20 by 5 25 by 5 minus 4 plus 8 4 by 5 5 1 so 5 5. Here 18 by 5 comma minus 5 comma 4 by 5. This is the Q, harmonic conjugate of P. The answer is 18 by 5 comma minus 5 comma 4 by 5. Fourth option is correct. Question number 9. If G equal to 1 comma 1 comma minus 2 is the centroid of the triangle ABC and D is the midpoint of BC, if capital A equal to minus 1 comma minus 4, then D equal to, here the four options are given. Here centroid of triangle G is given, G equal to 1 comma minus 2. In a triangle, one vertex is given, capital A equal to minus 1 comma minus 4. ABC is a triangle. D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of BC. AD is the median. This is the centroid. Centroid divides median, the ratio 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1. To find the coordinates of D. D equal to midpoint of BC is given in problem. D equal to midpoint of BC. Centroid G divides AD in the ratio 2:1 mn. Apply section formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n comma mz2 plus nz1 by m plus n. This is the section formula. To apply section formula, centroid G coordinates 1 comma 1 comma minus 2. Here capital A coordinates x1 y1 z1. To find D coordinates, let it be D coordinates x comma y comma z. The coordinates are x2 y2 z2, x2 y2 z2. Centroid 1 comma 1 comma minus 2 is equal to, here to apply the formula, AD divides G in the ratio 2:1, m value 2, n value equal to 1. Apply the formula mx2, 2 into x2 plus in x2 x, 2x plus nx1 1 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1 3 comma my2 2 into y 2y ny1 1 into 1 2 plus 1 3 comma mz2 2 into z 2z nz1 1 into minus 4 plus into minus 4 by 2 plus 1 3. First coordinate is equal to 1. 2x minus 1 by 3 is equal to 1. 2x minus 1 cross multiply 3. 2x equal to 3 plus 1 4. 2 1 so 2 2. X equal to 2. Here x equal to 2 in the option 4. This is the correct answer. 2y plus 1 by 3 is equal to 2y plus 1 by 3 is equal to 1. Cross multiply 2y plus 1 equal to 3. 2y is equal to 3 minus 1. 2 to get cancelled. Y is equal to 1. 2z minus 4 by 3. 2z minus 4 by 3 is equal to minus 2. Cross multiply 3 into minus 2 minus 6. 2z minus 4 equal to minus 6. 2z equal to minus 6 plus 4 minus 2. Z equal to minus 1. Here x equal to 2, y equal to 1, z equal to minus 1. The D coordinates 2 comma 1 comma minus 1. Here the fourth option is the correct. Problem number 10. If the tetrahedron ABCD, capital A equal to 1 comma 2 comma minus 3 and G equal to minus 3 comma 4 comma 5. If the centroid of the tetrahedron, if P is the centroid of the triangle BCD, then AP equal to, here to find, here 4 are the options. In a tetrahedron, one vertex capital A is given, capital A equal to 1 comma 2 comma minus 3 and centroid G is given minus 3 comma 4 comma 5. In a tetrahedron, 4 vertices are there. Here 4 triangular faces, ABC one triangle, ABD second triangle, ACD third triangle, triangle BCD. Total 4 triangular faces. In each triangle face, one centroid is there. Here, capital P is the centroid of triangle BCD. G is the centroid of tetrahedron. The centroid of tetrahedron divide vertex and any one face of the triangular face of the centroid divides in the ratio 3:1. 3:1. Here the formula, here vertex A, this is the P, the centroid of the triangle BCD. The formula is AP equal to 4 by 3 AZ. AP equal to 4 by 3 AZ. Here to find AP. AP equal to 4 by 3 AZ. 4 by 3 square root of 1 minus of minus plus 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 4. 4 square 16. 2 minus 4 minus 2. Minus 2 whole square 4. Minus 3 minus 5 minus 8. Minus 8 whole square 64. 64 plus 4 68. 68 16. 8 6 14. 84. Root 84. 4 by 3 root 84. Root 84. 4 2 4 ones. 4 by 3 square root of 4 into 21. 4 by 3 2 root 21. 4 into 2 8. 8 root 21 by 3. Here the distance AP equal to 8 root 21 by 3. AP equal to 4 by 3 AZ. The option is first one is correct. Problem number 11. If the centroid of tetrahedron OABC, where capital A comma B comma C are given by A comma 2 comma 3 comma 1 comma B comma 2 and 2 comma 1 comma C respectively, is 1 comma 2 comma minus 1, then distance of P equal to A comma B comma C from origin is, here the four options are given. In a tetrahedron, 4 vertices, OABC the tetrahedron, here O equal to origin 0 comma 0 comma 0, capital A is equal to A comma 2 comma 3, capital B equal to 1 comma B comma 2, capital C equal to 2 comma 1 comma C. And centroid of tetrahedron G is equal to 1 comma 2 comma minus 1, x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2, capital A vertices, B vertices x3 y3 z3, C vertices x4 y4 z4. Centroid to find ABC values. Here P equal to A comma B comma C. Centroid of tetrahedron formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 by 4 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 by 4 comma z1 plus z2 plus z3 plus z4 by 4. By using directly the formula, here centroid 1 comma 2 comma minus 1, sum of the x coordinate by 4. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus A, 3 plus A plus 0, 3 plus A, 3 plus A by 4, comma sum of the y coordinates 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus B, 3 plus B plus 0, 3 plus B by 4, comma sum of the z coordinates 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus C, 5 plus C plus 0, 5 plus C, 5 plus C by 4. 3 plus A by 4 equal to 1. Cross multiply. 3 plus A equal to 4. A equal to 4 minus 3. A equal to 1. 3 plus B by 4. 3 plus B by 4 equal to 2. 3 plus B equal to 8. 4 into 2 8. B equal to 8 minus 3. 5. 5 plus C by 4. 5 plus C by 4 equal to minus 1. 5 plus C equal to minus 4. C equal to minus 4 minus 5 minus 9. Here P equal to A comma B comma C, A value 1, 1 comma 5 comma minus 9. To find distance between origin and P, OP distance. 1 square 1, 5 square 25, 9 square 81, 25 plus 1 26, 81 plus 26 107, the sum root 107. The first option is correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. And also, if you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section.